Hello guys, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas video for this week starting today, the 18th of October 2021. Before I go into the trading analysis, let me announce the winner of the contest we had last time. Right now on your screen, you should see the name of the person who is a winner in the contest and who won my flexible volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4 platform. So congratulations for winning in the contest. What I'll do is I'll do another contest for you guys. The only thing which you need to do to participate is just leave a comment below this video, which I'll upload on YouTube. And next week, I'll randomly pick one person who will win my volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4. Alright, so that's about the contest. And let's now have a look at the charts. The charts which you see before you, those are day trading charts, and those charts are linked. This chart at the top is a 60-minute chart with weekly volume profiles, which show how volumes were distributed throughout the whole week. Now this chart, this is sort of my main chart, and it is a 30-minute chart, and in here I use flexible volume profile. It's a profile which you can move around, look into specific areas in the chart, specific areas which you are interested in. So it's my main tool which I use. And the last chart, that's also a 30-minute chart, and this chart shows daily profiles, which means that each day new volume profile gets automatically printed. Alright, so that's the layout I use. Those charts are linked, they always show the same trading instrument, and they show the complete picture of that trading instrument. So let's check out the Euro British Pound. This is the first trading idea which I wanted to show you, and it is based on the volume accumulation setup. One of my favorite volume profile setups, and what you want to see with this setup is a rotation like in here, followed by a trend like in here. So in case like that, what I do is I use my flexible volume profile to look into that area, specifically into the rotation area which took place before the trend, and I want to see heavy volumes accumulated here, like in this case. And this indicates, in this case, it indicates that there were strong sellers building up their shorts in here, and those are their volumes, and then they pushed the price downwards. Now, because they pushed the price downwards, that's how we can tell that those guys were sellers, right? So there are sellers in here, or there were strong sellers in here who pushed the price downwards, and when there's a pullback at some point in the future to this heavy volume zone, which begins around 84.78, it's likely that those sellers will want to defend this zone, this area, and they'll want to push the price downwards from there again to defend their shorts, to enter some more shorts, and to manipulate the price downwards again. Now, what I also like about this trading area is that if you look at the weekly profile, then right there, this is the heaviest volume area throughout the whole week. This is the point of control of the week, which means that the heaviest volumes throughout the whole week were accumulated there. From there, from this level, there was this strong sell-off, right? That's this sell-off. So this adds strength to that trading level, to that trading zone, because weekly point of control is just by itself a very strong level to trade from. As you can see, for example, in here, that was the weekly point of control, and there was a beautiful reaction to it, right? So that's how a weekly point of control works. And yeah, that's the logic behind this resistance at 84.78. So that's for the Euro British Pound, and let's now go and have a look at the next trading idea, which is on the Australian dollar Swiss franc. So now all the charts show the Australian dollar Swiss franc, and in this case the scenario is very similar as in the previous case. Let's first have a look at this chart, the 30-minute chart. There was a rotation from which strong trend activity started. So in this case it tells us that there were strong buyers building up their longs in the rotation, and then they manipulated the price to go higher. So in here, there are strong buyers, right? Heavy volume area beginning at 68 68.22. So when there's a pullback to 68.22, I expect a buying reaction. I expect that the price will rise from this trading area, because those guys will want to defend the area. What is also very similar as to the Euro-British pound, which I showed you before, is that this area is also the weekly point of control. If you look in here, this weekly volume profile from the previous week, then this is the point of control right there. Heaviest volumes got accumulated there, heaviest volumes in the previous week. So we wait for a pullback, and there's a solid chance for a reaction from there, from the weekly point of control, which is also at this area. All right, so that's the logic behind this support at Australian dollar Swiss franc. This heavy volume zone begins at 68.22. So that's the support. Now let's go and have a look at the next trading idea. And the next one is on the New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. Alright, so now all the charts show the New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. And what I have for you is also the volume accumulation setup combined with the weekly point of control. So let me show you. This is a rotation before the start of a strong trend activity. In that rotation, there were massive volumes accumulated, and this is where the heavy volume zone starts. At 64.45, this is the support. So I think strong buyers were building up their longs there, and then they pushed the price upwards. And I think that when there's a pullback, those buyers will want to defend this zone, defend this long, quite possibly enter more longs there, because this was heavy liquidity zone. Heavy volumes were accumulated there. So they'll use this zone to add more to their longs and to manipulate the price to go upwards from. Alright, so this should work as a strong support. And if you look at the weekly volume profile from the previous week, then this is it. Weekly point of control from which strong buying activity starts. So we wait for a pullback back into the weekly point of control, and from there I think that will be a nice trading opportunity for a long trade. Alright, so that's about that. The logic is the same as in the previous two cases. I hope you guys can see the similarity between the three trading examples I gave you today. In all examples I use the volume accumulation setup combined with the weekly point of control, which is one of my favorite trading combos and one of my favorite trading setups. Now, if you guys would like to learn more about trading with volume profile and get a thorough volume profile training, what I recommend is going to my website, which is trader-dale.com. This is it. This is the website. And what I recommend is going here, trading course and tools. So click that, scroll down a bit, and this is Elite Pack. This is recommended training pack. There is a video which you can watch and which will show you everything that's included in the Elite Pack. In short, the Elite Pack includes a video course, that's 15-hour long video course on trading with the volume profile. Then there's my personal trading levels. Those are day trading levels as well as swing trading levels, and following those levels you'll be basically following my day trading and my swing trading. Now the next thing which you are going to get is volume profile pack. This is a pack of volume profile indicators which I use and which I developed. Those are indicators for NinjaTrader 8 platform and for MetaTrader 4 platform, and also what you'll get is a couple of bonuses. Now at the top of all that, what you will also get is free tech support for Elite Pack members. And what this means is that our tech support will set up NinjaTrader 8 platform for you with all my custom-made indicators. They'll load up my trading workspaces, they'll connect you to data feed, and they'll do it completely for free, as that's part of our service that we provide to our Elite Pack members. This is a service which should give you sort of a jump start, so you don't need to read manuals and set everything up yourself. Instead, you can just focus on learning how to trade with the volume profile and on your own trading. Alright, so That's about that, guys. That's about this video. I hope you found it helpful and interesting, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. And until then, happy trading.